If affiliate marketing has left you overwhelmed, confused, or constantly jumping from one opportunity to another, you're in the right place. I'm HomeBiz Joe. I help beginners understand affiliate marketing, generate leads, and build one simple online business without hype or constant program hopping. On this channel, you'll discover how to choose the right audience, create content that builds trust, generate more clicks and leads, and connect everything through a clear marketing system. I also share honest reviews, practical lessons, and mistakes to avoid, many of which I learned the hard way. If you want straightforward, beginner-friendly guidance that helps you understand what to do next, subscribe to my channel. And when you're ready to go deeper, you'll find my free affiliate marketing masterclass at homebizsimple.com. Subscribe now and let's build something simple, honest, and sustainable.